following to the next page. Most of these things you already know. Most of them. We shall define a few things you already know. We have a stretched line, or straight line, the way you want to say it, stretch straight. Which is a horizontal line. And a horizontal line is 180 degrees. Or you can go outside, you can choose and stay outside for the rest of the year. Stretched line is 180 degrees. So the roads your precious cars drive on, if you notice, is it making you, no? So you're driving a car every day to school, and when your car stands still, it goes forward. You know in advance, the person that the government hired did not do a good job. You know that in advance. You drive your car, you're sitting in the back, and your mother has to do this on a straight line. You can imagine that road is not flat. You can place a ball on a surface, and if it moves, you know it's not 180 degrees. Yes? Stretch line, 180 degrees. Yes? Zian dropped her pencil, and the pencil did not move. That means the floor is 180 degrees. Next thing you should know is called a Z-angle. A Z-angle. What is a Z-angle? The Z-angle states that these two angles are equal. People, especially that play sports, depending which ones, can really use this to your advantage. This one, especially when playing soccer. You have one person here, there, and there. If you kick it to this person, you kick it like that, you know the angle is the same. The only thing this person has to do is keep his feet at a specific position, and then goes directly to that person. You can use this a lot when dealing with sports. The angle inside of the Z is the same as the one outside at the bottom Z. Now, the Z has different ways that you can see a Z. A Z can also be like that. A Z can also be like this. Oh, wait. If you look closely, this is the Z. So it doesn't actually have to be an actual Z. You have to see the shape within the shape. And these are the types of exercises you're going to get. If you notice at the Z shape as well, this is what? A stretched line. So from here to here, it's 180 degrees. The more you practice, the more you see it. Another one is called the F angle. What is the rule of the F angle state? The top half of this F is also the same angle as the bottom half of the F. Now, you can see an F in different ways. An F can also be looking downwards. An F can be flat. An F can be the inverse. So, you can find different forms of Fs. All the angles within are the same. See? F, F, F. All these angles are the same. So if this were to be 70 degrees, by definition, here is also 70 degrees. And the last but not least, let me make it different. Is the opposing angles, opposite angles. Opposite angles state that these two angles are the same. And if you look closely, this is a circle, meaning a circle has 360 degrees. So if this angle is 120, means this is 120 and that is 120. You can figure out the other colors in two different ways. One way, you say this is 180 degrees because it's a stretched line. So the orange part is 180 subtract 120. So it's 60 degrees. That's one way of doing it. Others say, no teacher, that's boring. A circle is 360 degrees. If I subtract 240, I am left with 120. That means when I count this and that together, the answer should be 120. So what do? Divide by 2. So what is the answer? 60. Some of you prefer this, some of you prefer that. It's all the same. And now, for the interesting part, the book. Exercise 7A. 1A. What is the angle? Oh, wait. The most important thing. This word. This specific lovely word. What does that mean? That means yes, but more specific. Everything that's in your head has to go on that paper. That's what that word means. So if you only write, oh, the answer is 135, it's wrong. So what is the answer? 360 degrees. Yes, it's a circle. Minus or subtract that 245. And you are left with 115 degrees. That's your answer. That is calculate. If you only write 115 and the question clearly says calculate, it's wrong. All right. We have exactly, what time is it? 20 minutes. Do we have the time? Yes. We're going to make exercise or finish exercise 1, 2, and 7B 1, 7B1. I'm gonna stay there. So 7A, finish it. 2, finish it. 7B, all of them. Once we are done, one person will volunteer and make them all. And if we're not done, it becomes homework. Remember, it says calculate. So if you only write the answer, it is wrong. Oh, yeah, won't charge. Yes. Where? Oh, I can do that. So I will randomly choose a person that will explain to us what he or she has done. And if no one understands, you will have to explain again. And if I give this particular question in an exam, if you got it wrong, the person that explained it takes the blame. Let me write the names of those who are going to make it. Okay, it's a probability question. BC. BC. To A. Yeah. 7BA. So, these are our contestants. So, you're going to explain and write what you're doing. You have to do both. Whenever you are ready, you can come make it. We have 1 more minute for the first contestant. Yes. When exactly 15 seconds, Aiden will stop. Please pause. I do not understand. Aiden is ready. So, if you do not have the same answer as Aiden, you are wrong. Brandeline is ready. Brandeline is going to make it. Yes, you said you're ready. So, if you have another answer than Brandeline, you are wrong.
You are wrong.
Tati Brandeline is going to explain.
You think you explain?
Because I don't understand. As a matter of fact, I don't understand English.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Algebra the related theory.
Never that. Anyway, so una mitad D. Botikuasi, you have to do. Let me skip here. 120 plus 140 tá. Okay?
120 plus 140 is 26.
Ay, Dio. Sorry. Me disculpa. Sí. Andare. Bodasi. Se você não tem que você tem default.
So, someone objects to the answer.
Okay.
Object to the answer.
Apa também? Quem mais? Hã?
So, Nakisha, you say something else.
Kiko. Okay.
In your book, you have two B's. You both say the same thing, but meaning something differently. But it's the same answer. She has them multiplied. So you have the same answer.
Ei, você não cansa a mim, por favor.
You have 100. You can either have 100 or 50. She split them up in two. So one D is 50 and the other D is 50.
Quatro mebos na não sabe
Both the
nada.
same answer.
So, okay. And the otro tá que tá 1,47 tá 33 grados.
150. To A.
Quem tem algo de visa? Kiko.
33 degrees. Correct. So, if we do not have 33 degrees,
Both are wrong.
we're wrong. Next person is so if you have problems with D and A, you can go to touch president.
These two. Just these two.
Yes. You can enlighten us.
So we know that to find the missing angles, you have to find the missing part of the circle, and a circle is 360 degrees. So we grab. I need the book. Where's the book? Where's the book? Oh, never mind. We grab the missing ones. So the ones that are already there. 116. And we put it together with the other one. And we get. So this is the two angles that we already have put together. And since the full circle is 360, we grab this and we do 360. Wait. 360. Whatever, you can see it. Minus the 315 degrees is 40, comes out to 45 degrees. Does anybody object?
So, if we do not have 45, you are wrong.
Exactly, and I'm right.
The bell will go off in exactly 1 minute. So, that will be all for today. Your homework, page 156, exercise 4. 4, ABCD. Only 4. Zion was more, so I'm going to give you more. Page 156. 156. ABCD. 4 ABCD. Send it through the classroom. Do not forget your phone or else it will disappear.